back to my channel. In the previous lesson, we learned about generating different heading styles in Microsoft Word. And today we are going to learn about inserting table of content in your document. So table of content is one part of which is very vital or very important when it comes to your document, because sometimes people just want to read certain or look at certain information from your document, and they don't want to go through the whole document looking for that information. So for them to easily locate certain information, you need to generate heading styles, and after generating heading styles, they will not be able to look at it until you generate or you insert table of content, which will come at the first pages of your document. So how do you do it? So you go to the Microsoft Word, and then you open the document that you want to insert table of content, and then you go to the reference, and then you have your table of content here. So you can look at what is table of content, provide an overview of your document by adding a table of contents. So there are different types which are inbuilt. So there is automatic table 1, then automatic table 2, and then there is this manual. For the manual, when you have generated at first, and then maybe there's something that you have added into your document, and then the pages have shifted, you will have to come back to generate or to add those pages that has been added in your document when you use the manual. But when you use the automatic, anytime that you add more information, more pages, or more headings, head styles in your document, it is going to be generated automatically. So we're going to choose the first one. And first, before I choose, I'm going to generate some space, because I say that table of content appear in the first pages of your document. So from the document that we have, it is going to appear at the front part of the document. So I've inserted my cursor, and then I go to table of content. We're going to choose the first one. So, and then we have here table of content. So if I want to look at something like digital literacy, it's found in page 1. But if we had a document which has, let's say, 50 pages, 100 pages, then maybe the digital literacy was found in page 20, I could have gone to page 20 and read it. So in case I had more other things, if I want to ensure that those other things that I've added, the headings, are included in the table of content, I just come and click the table of content, and then I click update, and then there's this update. So if you do the first one, update pages numbers only, it is going to update pages numbers only without everything. But you're supposed to choose the second one so that everything that you have added is being updated, and then you click OK. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.